First, please open the battery cover. To turn off the power and remove the battery, remove the fuel tank cover on the both sides and save the screws. Remove the power line. Remove the harness 8-pin and 16-pin wires, the hall wires, the motor wires, and remove the controller. There has nuts on the other side. Then, you can replace the new controller. Now put on the nuts. Attach the horn. Tighten the screws. Take care to place the motor cable on top of the controller. Fix the motor wires according to the colors on the side of the controller. Attaching the hall wires. Connect the 8-pin and 16-pin wires of the harness. Put two red positive wires on the controller, corresponding to the red color. Attach the two black negative wires to the black color of the controller. Put on the small cover. Then put the gas cap on both sides. Leave no gap at the top. Finally, installing the battery. Turn on the power. Start the scooter. To test the scooter's performance, good job, you finished the replacement properly.